What is going on, everyone? Michael here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create this make.com automation that lets you create a video that looks like this.
AI to streamline your content creation, you're missing out. Here's how to get started. Define your content strategy, choose the right AI tools.
Everything from the script, the video, everything, background was all generated with AI. I used the script or perplexly got. Now, before I get into this sequence, first thing you're going to need to do is grab the digital playbook here that has all my make.com blueprints. It also has free checklists, prompts that I use, a list of 130 AI tools that you're able to promote, done for you short form videos already, and all this stuff completely for free. If you just go to digitalplaybook.com, put in your information, and you will get taken to our free group right here that you'll have access to, not only the digital playbook, but also chat, myself, questions, members only videos that I'm not going to show. But go ahead and before we dive in, just subscribe to the channel, leave a like and a comment that lets me know you're taking action, and let's go ahead and hop into this video. So I will just be walking through everything quickly. First thing you're going to need to do is just create a simple Google Sheet. I'm not going to give you a Google Sheet, but everyone has one. And you're going to have these three sections down here. I don't know why I have the avatar one, but you're going to need videos completed and videos background. So title, description, URL, video URL, that's all you're going to need. So right here, the background is what this does is there is a tool that I use called Blotato that generates these faceless videos. So you're going to need, this is the database that sequence is going to pull from. So if you only have one, it's just going to choose that one. But since I have a couple, it picks one at random every time when it runs through the sequence. So this is something easy to set up too, as far as the database, title, description, URL, and then random video URL. So what happens is Perplexity starts to write a script on whatever you give it. So I gave it the task to research practical AI automation tips for beginners. You obviously get access to all this with the blueprint. And then what it does is it goes to ChatGPT to write the caption. For some reason, ChatGPT just writes better captions. Let this load. So right here, we have an example of what the caption will look like, writing style, everything that you would need, 50-word video, no hashtags, and then this would be pulling from what it generated from Perplexity. Then what it does is it goes to update a cell. So it's using this formula, which is basically randomizing those cells that I showed you. And then it's getting that video from that cell. And then it's going into HeyGen to create that AI avatar. And where's HeyGen at? So I have HeyGen pulled up. Really don't need to show anything over here. Once you connect your HeyGen account, avatar obviously, and I have myself, no background, so we're able to pull in that video for the background, keep all these different styles the same. This is the input text as far as what it's going to generate, voice friendly, content. And then we have two little wait steps just because it's got to create the video, and then it's going to grab that video and then set up social accounts. So I guess I'm going to keep this one if I wanted to. So what Blotato allows you to do is it allows you to actually create that and then send it off to all your different social media accounts. But as you can see right now, I'm just uploading it into Blotato, and then I'm just having it go to a Google Sheet, which is under videos completed right here. So everything should be set up correctly. I'm going to run this, and then if anything does happen, we can go through that together. I want a different script, though. I want to talk about AI. No, this is fine. We'll keep it like this so I can actually use the video. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and hit run. So it just wrote the script, boom, picked a random video, and now it created this avatar really quickly. Oh, I know why it did that, because I already generated my avatar. So I don't know why I thought that was going to take longer. So what you need to do is obviously you need to train your avatar. This was something, it took about 10 minutes. So what it does is it just grabs the, you see it right here. It's creating it right here. Let's go back to here. No, this is YouTube, Michael. I guess this is where I can put my avatar. This is where the completed video is going to go, and we're just going to wait. Look at this. So as you can see, the video is now created. So let's go ahead and go back to the description, and it's still waiting for 3 minutes. I think that I just have this turned on as a precautionary, just to make sure it's fully loaded. So I'm going to cut back to when this is complete. Alrighty, and it looks like it has completed. Grab the video, and it uploaded into the Google Sheet. So now if we go over to here, you can see that it had imported in the Google Sheet, and that is the final video. So click on here, it's going to download, and let's see what it looks like.
Don't miss this simple tip to boost your content creation. If you're not using AI to guide your writing, you're wasting time. Here's how. Know your audience, provide clear instructions, and use AI for brainstorming. For example, if you're writing a social media post, tell the AI your target is young reader.
So I don't know why the voice went like that, but I probably needed to fix that. But that is amazing. Then I can just boom, excuse me, take that. I don't know why the voice did that, but now all I got to do is just boom, take that, upload that into whatever social media planner or platform I want to, and boom, that just cut content generation in half. So if you want access to this blueprint, self-explanatory, just like I said, hop into Digital Playbook and you'll get access to all the different blueprints. That is going to be it for this video, AI Pros. I will see you in the next one.